N8N just got a game-changing upgrade. With the new MCP server triggers on N8N, you can now simply integrate your AI agents in one workflow and have them interact with different tools and platforms simply using the MCP triggers. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through creating a really simple AI agent chatbot on N8N and obviously using MCP server triggers with the tools integrated with different platforms. So if you're interested in this video, let's dive in. What's going on, everybody? Ashkan here from the Hired AI, and in today's video I'm going to explain what MCP servers are and also how you can use it in the newly added stuff on N8N with your AI chatbots or AI agents. So first off, I'm going to tell you a brief and simple explanation of what an MCP server is. So MCP is basically the new way that these AI agents can manage thinking and remembering stuff and also executing tools, basically by providing them with enough information to when to execute a tool. And also the only important thing that you need to provide to your assistant is only going to be the access or basically the API keys to that particular tool. So it's basically using in a structured messaging way to understand what's going to be executed. So it basically works like this. So it's going to say user said this, AI wants to use this tool, and then tool gave some results. And the next thing would be that AI replies based on the result of the tool. So that's basically how MCP servers are working. You don't have to set up any really basically complicated workflows for setting up different kinds of tools for, I don't know, booking appointments or stuff like that. You just have to use MCP triggers from now on, and it's as simple as I'm saying it. So now that you have a really basic understanding of what an MCP trigger is, I have also prepared a really quick mind map for you. So I'm gonna tell you how to basically use these MCP server triggers, which I just told you what it is, and I'm gonna tell you how to set it up and the event configurations. The message trigger workflow, I'm gonna just tell you how to just test it out for a really simple AI agent, so you know at least how it works in N8N, obviously. And then I'm gonna use the free version of Gemini, the Google's AI chatbot, the AI model for Google. I've integrated the free API with my N8N system, so I can give you a really quick explanation for you guys. And I'm also gonna warn you guys that this is a free API for Gemini. You can also use it for your own without any payment methods or stuff like that. So yeah, keep in mind, if you don't have access to OpenAI or Claude or those paid versions of LLMs, you can just consider going to the Google AI Studio and just get yourself a really simple API key for Gemini, which is obviously free. And also the use cases is going to be simple chatbot example in this video, but for your own business, you can use it for lead capturing and automated replies, or just having an AI chatbot receptionist, or you can just go beyond creativity and have your own AI chatbot do whatever you want and basically have it as your own agent. So without wasting any more time on these useless mind maps, let's just dive into how to set up one. So first off, you have to open your N8N account and obviously create a new workflow. And now, as I told you, for the sample of this video, I'm just actually, since this video is for just a sample, I'm gonna set the trigger as a simple chat channel on N8N itself, but you can also use different platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, or any platform that has a chatting service. So after that, what you're gonna do next is to obviously add an AI agent. I'm just gonna type in an AI agent. You just add it, and boom, you have it right here. I'm not gonna provide it with a really complicated prompt or stuff like that. You don't have to change any of these. This should be the same as this. The chat input from coming from the obviously the what's this, the chat reply channel that we just set here. So you can see that if I test this step and say hello, it's not gonna work obviously because we haven't set up a chat model yet. It doesn't really have a chat model. So now let's move on. I'm gonna connect Google Gemini model here. It's Google Gemini chat model. So I'm gonna select my API key here, which I've already gathered through Google AI Studio for free. Then I'm gonna select my preferred model, which just to let you know, 2.5 Pro preview. I believe that one is also, that has a limit for the free version, but I think you can still use it. So nothing from here. You just have to do this. And then obviously a memory would be good for this one. A simple memory would be enough. Maybe 10 would be the context window length. And the next thing, which the topic of this video is about, is gonna be the MCP tool. So instead of adding enormous different kinds of tools here to the tools section of your AI agent, what you're gonna do here is just keep in mind that you have, if you are running your N8N server on a basically self-hosted version, you have to update it to the latest version. Otherwise, you're not gonna see this MCP client tool. So yeah, after you click on this tool section, you have to basically search for, let's just do it again, search for MCP. So you're gonna click on MCP client tool, and also I think I forgot to tell you that MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. So let's just click on it and add this. So no authentication method and tools. Let's just have it to be here. Let's just have it as it is. We don't want to set it up now because there is also something else that we have to set up. So just for now, actually, you know what? Let's just deactivate this so we don't need it. And let's just test the chatbot. So I'm going to say hello again. So it's going to respond back. And if it doesn't, it's because I have hit the limit for the 2.5 Pro version, which I'm obviously going to change it to the more reasonable free version. It looks like it is stuck on that. So let's just move back all the way to 1.5 Pro latest. Let's see if this one works. I'm going to stop this execution and let's check that. Okay, it looks like it accepted it from us. I'm going to just say hello again. And if this one doesn't work, I'm going to downgrade it one more time just to make sure. Okay, it looks like it's going to take a little bit of time, so we don't want to waste any more time. So let's just pause that, open it up again. If we select the 1.5 flash version, I believe this one is going to work without any heck of an issue. Okay, let's just save it and say hello again. Hello. And it's actually, yeah, replying. Hello there, how can I help you today? Let's just say, I don't know, what is your name? Who are you? It's just gonna say, I don't have a name, I'm a large language model trained by Google. And yeah, that's it. So now you can see that the AI model is working fine. So yeah, actually, let's try something. I'm gonna tell the AI to, I don't know, maybe book me an appointment. Let's just try that. So book me an appointment. It's obviously not gonna do such a thing. It says I cannot directly book it for you. To book an appointment, I need more information. And also, okay, let's book for, actually, you know what? Forget this one. It's a little bit gonna be complicated. Let's just tell the AI to send an email to my personal email, which is gonna be, actually, let's try this one. It's miri84@gmail.com. The subject is hello. The body is hello, Ashkan. How are you? So let's try that. It's gonna obviously say something which is gonna be, I cannot directly send emails. I'm a large language model, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So let's now keep this off for a second. So you see that I've deactivated this for now. Now I'm gonna activate it, and what's gonna happen next is that I'm gonna save this workflow. I'm gonna create another workflow. So what is it gonna be? I'm here gonna select a trigger, and here the trigger should be MCP server trigger. And here you can see that there are two different URLs. So it's gonna be either a test URL or production URL. So I'm just gonna select the production URL. I'm gonna copy in the whole thing. Do not change this, do not change this, just leave it as it is. So save it for now here, and back to the other workflow, which was this one obviously. And then you come here, you just paste it just right here, and again you click on save and you do nothing. So let's just go back to the previous workflow that we just created. So what I'm going to do here is now you're going to add the tools which are actually gonna be only the access for the AI agent. You're just gonna provide the AI agent with the provided access, obviously for your Google API or stuff like that. So okay, let's just for the tools search for the Gmail tool, which is gonna send Gmails. So I'm gonna select my connection, which I have already have a multiple different connections. The tool description, I'm gonna set it manually. I'm gonna say execute the tool when user wants to send email to someone. Okay, that's it. The resource should be message. Operation is sending an email. So for the two email, the subject and the email body, you can click on this icon, which is then gonna be filled in with the AI. So whenever you tell the AI to send this to this email, then it's gonna decide by itself. And then you come back here, and let's just save it now. Let's have it active. Got it. Then back to the workflows. Let's just turn this off for now. This was my previous workflow. Okay, back to this workflow. You open up the MCP client. Now the tools to include. You can either select all the tools or just put it on selected and actually select the ones that are running. So now we can see that the only tool that is here is the Gmail tool. And actually I can change the name here. So let me actually show you guys. So if I leave without saving, go to the workflow, I come here, change the name of this Gmail tool for video MCP, stuff like that. You can just name it as you want. So this is the new name for the tool. Now whenever I'm selecting my different tools in my workflow, I can just look for the actual name that I have set myself. So you select the tool and it's going to be Gmail tool for video MCP, and that's it. That's the only tool I'm going to be executing. So save it now, open the chat, and what's going to be next? I'm going to say hello. Can you, okay, let me actually show you my inbox here. Okay, let's just open this one. Oops. Okay, this was actually the previous one I sent before. So you can see that all of the emails that I have sent here are as you can see, the last one is this one, me test hello, this email was sent by N8N. Okay, this one I'm gonna say, can you send email to smeary84@gmail.com. The subject should be hello, testing the video. The body should be, you know what, let's just define the body for the AI to come up with something. Should be a big greeting with emojis. That's it. You know what, let's see what happens. Now we can see that this time this tool was executed. So now it's telling me how it was executed. Obviously it's saying weird stuff because I haven't prompted it in the correct way. But now let's go check the other workflow, which is this one, and let's check the last execution. You can see that now we have an execution here. So let's see what happened here. It was also triggered successfully. So now if we go here and check this one and refresh my inbox, now I can see hello, testing the video, and a big grading with emojis. Boom. Simple as that. And guess what? It's not only emails. You can set up different tools, booking appointments with your calendar, whatever you can think of, like different stuff that is integratable with this MCP server. So you can just click on the tools here and you can just check it yourself. Actually, there are plenty of different tools, plenty of different softwares that you can integrate with this MCP tool, and then you can just add hundreds of different tools and just have your AI agent on the desk with the provided tools and objects to interact with, and just you talk with it through different channels, and boom, that's how you set up a simple AI agent with MCP triggers without setting up those weird workflows for executing different platforms of tools. Thank you for watching this video, guys. And I forgot to tell you guys, if you're interested in these kind of stuff, we also have our own AI solutions, including these stuff that you can see in my videos in the Hired AI. And you can click on the link down below. we can book a free consultation call with you guys and see how to tailor these AI solutions to the best for your own business. We mostly do AI agents for calling, and other platforms also are provided inside of our service. So that's it doesn't just end with AI agents that does the calling and stuff like that. We do different kinds of AI solutions. And as I said, you can just click on the link in the down below on the description and book a free consultation call with us. So see you on the call and in the next video. Peace out for now.